Tonight was supposed to be a normal delivery night in Saigon, Vietnam. But after the first order, the rain started. My wife had to wear a raincoat, cover her phone with a plastic bag, and ride through traffic to the outer part of the city. We start by opening the AhaMove Delivery app. At first, everything looks normal. The road is busy, but that is normal in Saigon. When you do delivery work here, you never really know what kind of night is waiting for you. Maybe a short order, maybe a long route, maybe rain, and sometimes all of them together. Order number 1 comes in around 7:08 p.m. The pickup is near Nisu Huinlian Street in the Bay Hiền area. The drop-off is on Hong Lak Street, also nearby. The route is only 0.28 miles. The net income is about 44 cents before fuel. Bay Hiền is a very local part of Saigon. Small shops, narrow streets, food places, fabric businesses, and houses packed closely together. For tourists, this may not be a famous place, but for local people, this is everyday Saigon. The first order is so short, we almost finish it before the night really begins. Then, right when the second order begins, the rain starts. Not a big storm, but enough to change everything. My wife puts on her raincoat. Then she covers her phone with a plastic bag. Because the phone is the map, the order screen, the customer contact, and the proof of delivery. For delivery workers, a wet phone can stop the job. Order number 2 is much longer. The pickup is near Tan Binh. The drop-off is in Trung My Tay, District 12. The route is about 7.72 miles. The net income is about $1.58 before fuel. The rain is not too heavy, but traffic is slower. Motorbikes, cars, raincoats, brake lights, and wet roads everywhere. This order takes us away from the crowded city streets, toward the outer districts of Saigon. The app says 7.7 miles. My body says this is not a short order anymore. After finishing the long order, we stop for a small snack. My wife buys bánh mì nướng mùi ớt, grilled Vietnamese bread with chili salt, sauce, and toppings. Crispy, a little spicy, a little sweet, a little salty. After riding in the rain, it feels perfect. Money is part of delivery work, but small moments like this make the night feel real. A hot snack, the smell of grilled bread, the sound of traffic, and 2 people taking a short break before the next order comes. Sometimes, the best reward after a long delivery is hot bread from the street.
Alo, dạ bạn có một đơn gà uống muối á, bây giờ mình giao qua được không? Dạ mình giao qua liền, bạn chờ mình chút.
Order number 3 comes in around 8:49 p.m. The pickup is on Go Dao Street in Tan Phu District. The shop sells Vietnamese salted chicken. The drop-off is near Ao Co Street, back around the Bay Hiền area. The route is about 2.21 miles. The net income is about 64 cents before fuel. After the long ride to District 12, this order feels easier. Still raining a little, still busy, but closer. And at this point, we are already thinking about fuel. After order number 3, we stop to buy gasoline. The fuel cost is 55,000 Vietnamese dong, about $2.09. Tonight, the app paid about 70,000 dong, or about $2.66 before fuel. So after gasoline, only about 15,000 dong is left, about 57 cents. The app shows the income, but the road shows the real cost. Tonight, the motorbike earned almost as much as we did.
Đấy, mời mọi người coi. Đây, mời mọi người coi. Mình thử đi. Nhiều toilet rồi nè. À.
Có bà tê.
We sit at the gas station, eat the grilled bread, and wait for another order. The road is wet. The app is quiet. And sometimes, that is just how delivery work goes. You can be ready. You can be online. You can wait. But if there is no order, there is no income. Still, this moment feels peaceful.
Đang ngồi ở cây xăng.
A small snack, a little rest, a quiet gas station, and the sound of Saigon at night. After waiting for a while, no new order comes in. So we decide to go home. Tonight was not a big earning night. Only 3 orders. About 10.2 miles. About $2.66 before fuel. And after fuel, about 57 cents left. But the night was not empty. It had rain, a plastic bag for the phone, a long ride to District 12, grilled bread on the sidewalk, gasoline, waiting, and a quiet ending at a gas station. This is real life in Saigon. Small money, big adventure. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy real working class life in Vietnam, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.